in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about saving your contact info for contacts on your Android smartphone when you've interacted with people on the Google Chrome app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button, and then select your user account icon in the top right. You want to go over and select the People and Sharing tab. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath Contacts versus Contact Info Saved from Interactions, select inside of here. You can decide whether Google automatically saves contact info like names and email addresses of people you've interacted with in Google products. This makes it easier to find who you're looking for when you want to get in touch. So you want to enable or disable that option, you can toggle it on or off right here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.